major things of prayer. Conditions. Before starting, this is preparation. First thing is our body must be clean. All body.
Yeah, so that's why we did wudu.
That's why we did wudu. And after finishing that, our dress also be clean.
Dress.
Dress. Any dirtiness on the dress, we must remove it. Wash. Okay. And after finishing that,
Assalamu alaikum. Okay.
the place for namaz, place for salat.
Salat.
Salat. The place we will pray. Anywhere you can do prayer.
Not even in mosque.
Not only
You can
mosque, yeah. But place must be
clean.
clean. So three clean: body, dress, and the place of the salat. Then we have to move our face to the qibla. Qibla, you know?
Qibla?
Kaaba.
Kaaba. Kaaba, the direction.
Yeah, direction. From South Korea, Kaaba is to the west side. We have to know timing of salat. Which salat you are praying. You know, identify the time. Then which time we are praying. Which salat we are praying. Here is Maghrib, Isha, Fajr, Zuhur. Then we have to attention.
Yes,
Then I
yes.
am praying. Niyah.
Niya.
Niyah in
Niyah.
Arabic. And then we will start our salat, our prayer. We have to say Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Akbar.
Always right hand is up.
Exactly. To ring and okay.
Yes.
Yeah. There is many kind. Some from brothers like this, some here, some middle, some So all are correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So saying the takbir, Allahu Akbar, and starting salat, starting prayer by takbir at-tahrima, by takbir Allahu Akbar. This is the measure.
That's important. Say Allahu Akbar.
Start your salat by Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
This thumbles will be.
I
think Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Even Imam saying Allahu Akbar, and we are praying with Imam. We also have to saying not loudly.
Yes.
Okay, Allahu Akbar. Okay. Then we will recite something like Sana.
Sana.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarak asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. We will learn later. Okay.
Yeah, I will. I will learn.
Yeah, this is sunnah.
If you do it, it's more blessing.
Then we will pray, we will recite A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. And major surah is Surah Al-Fatiha, the first of the Quran. And it's called Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim, ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. So reciting anything from Quran, this is also major inside of the salat, major thing of the inside. And doing qiyam. Qiyam means standing up, staying. Okay, this is also more important. Then after finishing Surah Al-Fatiha, we will recite something from Quran anywhere.
I should say Al-Fatiha first and then other Quran verse.
Any verses of the Quran, of any smallest surah. Ayat, his verse is long, then one is enough. If the ayat is smallest, then 3 ayat. After finishing this, we will go to ruku'. Ruku' called by saying Allahu Akbar, we will go to down like this. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
And in ruku', what will say? We'll say Subhana Rabbiyal Azim.
Subhana Rabbiyal Azim.
Subhana Rabbil Azim. Subhana Rabbil Azim. 3 more.
Subhana Rabbiyal
Azim.
Azim.
Okay, put your hand, both of the hand on knee. And make this straight, not this, straight. Pull yourself little bit, pull. Your back, hori and mori will be straight. Still now you are not straight, but slowly, okay, just rise.
It's better now?
Okay, better. Back, okay, go back. Like this, stand, twist. Sami Allahu liman hamida.
Sami Allahu liman hamida.
Okay, we are waiting little bit. After waiting little bit, we will go to the down. It's called sijda. Yeah. So how to sijda? By saying takbir, Allahu Akbar. Very nice. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la.
Subhana Rabbiyal
A'la. Okay.
Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la.
Then we will go back to our stand position, okay? By saying Allahu Akbar. We'll see.
Allahu Akbar.
Okay, see. At first will be nose, then will be our forehead.
Nose first
Yeah,
and
first.
head, but no mouth. No mouth.
No,
No
no,
mouth.
this is typical.
Yeah, here, here. Okay.
Yes, you see somebody going to then do like this. Wait a moment. Then go again. Allahu Akbar.
Allah Akbar.
Subhana Rabbiyal A'la.
Subhan Arabiya Allah.
Rabbiyal A'la.
Subhan Arabiya Allah. Subhan Arabiya Allah.
Okay, we will go back to our standing position. Okay.
Yes.
Allahu
Akbar.
Okay, like this we will go back to the standing position.
This is fast.
First mean measured thing. Okay. Then we will sit. Okay. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
So sitting also common things. Without sitting, without standing, without ruku, without sajda, our salat will be not correct. Okay? So we will pray something here. Tahiyyatu lillahi wassalawatu wattayyibatu. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. We have to say this, and then salat, the peace upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by in Arabic. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. This one, and do any kind of khidu, any kind of dua, itself dua. You ask to Allah, Allahumma ihdina rabbana zalamna anfusana. Okay, there are many dua, many prayer. Okay. And then we finish our salat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It's called salam.
Salam. Right first and left. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum
Wa rahmatullah.
wa rahmatullah.
Salam means peace upon you, because angels here and here. And
angels
two
here.
This angel for writing, for calculate your good jobs, and this is for
Bad
what?
guy?
Bad. Yeah. You have to do salam both of the angels, and not only angels, the people also joining with you. You also do salam. Even your friend Chingu, many people have in masjid. You will do salam for all, also right side and left side.
Angels and other people.
Other people.
I
Okay.
understand.
Our salat is
Finish.
finished. Okay.
Yes.
Chirmuni sir.
너무 어렵네요.
You may be tired.
굉장히 어려워.